Hey guys, Mel from adventuresofmel.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite summer desserts, lemon cake. So we're going to start by mixing our lemon cake mix with a lemon jello pudding. And we're just going to put the mixes right into our mixer. Now you can use a yellow cake mix too, but I'm going to use lemon because the more lemon flavor, the better. And put the whole mix in your mixer. And then we're just going to empty the lemon pudding in there as well. And it's just a regular size pudding mix. It's not the large one. It's the 3.4 ounce. So we're just going to mix those up together. Okay. And then I'm going to put 4 eggs that I already cracked. I'm going to put those in. Then we're going to do 3/4 cup of water. Once you get the water in, you're going to beat it for about 2 minutes. We mixed it for 2 minutes, and now we're just going to pour in the canola oil, and I've got 3/4 cup of canola oil. You can use vegetable oil too. And then we're just going to mix it again for 2 more minutes. A rectangular pan for this cake, and I'm just going to spray it with cooking spray. You can also wipe it down with shortening. I usually do that with cakes because I don't want them to stick, but this one's going to stay. It's going to stay in the pan until it's eaten, so it doesn't really matter if it sticks a little bit, and usually it doesn't stick all that much. So we're just going to put our cake batter into the pan. Spread it all out in there. This is a super easy summer dessert. I like to make it every summer. Usually I'll make it around the 4th of July. It was a favorite cake my grandma used to make, my mom made it. I think we took it to a lot of church potlucks, and a lot of times we make it just to eat at home. So once you have your cake batter in the pan, you're just going to take it, put it in the oven, and bake it at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're going to bake it up. So we're going to go ahead and mix up our frosting, and we're going to use 2 cups of powdered sugar. Let me go ahead and put that in my bowl. And along with the powdered sugar, we're going to do about 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm just going to use this Minute Maid lemon juice that you can find in the freezer aisle at the store, or you can squeeze your own lemon juice if you want to. Now, instead of lemon juice, you can also use 4 ounces of frozen lemonade, but I'm just going to go with the lemon juice. We're going to do 6 tablespoons. My friend Debbie from Dining with Debbie is actually the one that turned me on to this lemon juice because it's 100% pure lemon juice. We had a whole discussion about this before, but it really is good stuff. So, alright, and now I'm just going to mix this up good, and then we're going to put it on our cake. Like a jello cake, you're going to take a fork and you're just going to prick holes all over the top of the cake. And this is going to help that frosting that we made soak down into the cake. And it's going to be really, really delicious. But the frosting gives it kind of it makes it really moist in the center, but it gives it kind of a crunchy top, kind of a crunchy layer on top, and it's just so good. This has been a favorite anytime we have taken it anywhere. We're just going to take the frosting and we're going to pour it all over the cake. we're going to spread it all over so that it can soak into the entire cake. I'm just going to turn my pan so I can really spread it out. I think this is definitely my favorite summer dessert. I love ice cream, and I love strawberry shortcake and all the berry cobblers and things, but lemon cake has always been a real favorite. Really, I'm a sucker for anything lemon dessert-wise. It's just so good. So then you're just gonna let that sit for a little bit, and when you're ready to serve it, it's ready to go.